رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We now have some examples from the Quran regarding the lam of qasam or the indication of qasam. So lam al-muti'atu lil-qasam is a lam that paves the way for qasam. It's not a qasam in itself, but it's an indication that there is a qasam. So wherever this lam is used, as in la'in, this means there is a implicit qasam there. If the statement is from anyone other than Allah, example, believes the qasam can be estimated to be Wallahi. If the statement is from Allah, the qasam can be estimated to be Uqsimu bi izzati bi wa jalali. A qasam from the, the Lord Himself. The lam, which is the qasam, is used frequently in the Quran and it will be grouped with the jawab al qasam. We'll see here, like the lam, it is a lam al-muti'atul lil qasam. And the in here, which is indicated as such, is jawab or shart, jazimun. Tajazimun this is just tajazimu fi'laini. You have either harf jawab, توكيد التوكيد تفيد التوكيد, sorry. So this is either, it is a harful jawab here, and here we have the same of the lam of qasam and the harful shart, and then the inna as the condition of the shart, or is part of the shart, which we looked at in the second lesson. We have some more examples here which you can read. So here we have the qasam, as you can see, okay, and then we have the lam here, uh, which is part of the jawab or qasam. So everything that you see here is jawab or qasam. Alam al-muti'atul qasam. So when al-jumla al-ismiya al-munfiyatu is jawab al-qasam. الجملة الفعلية فعلها ماضي منفي is جواب القسم. So here you have two examples. They are جملة فعلية on this side and you have جملة اسمية on this side. Both of them are جواب القسم. Here you have in حرف نفي or in نافية or ما نافية. So here in حرف نفي or in نفي or ما نفي. Nafi is to negate something. So here you have the in as in a negative. Here to go, of course, is zala yazulu. So another verb is damun. So here the verb is damun, while yazalu or zala is nakisun, and the sister of kana. Okay. Here we see جواب الجملة الفعلية فعلها ماضي منفي. جملة اسمية المنفي. Here you have the examples of where we see lam as a examples of lam المودية للقسم in the qasam. Okay, so here we see some, this is examples of the lam which are with qasam, that's indication. Okay. Note if the sentence is negative, there's no need for emphasis in the jawab ul qasam. So that's why you don't need to have a emphasis on the jawab, the answer, because you already have the la present in these examples. Or here you have ma, okay? So you'll have one of the negatives or negations, and here you have the example of la. Here is qasam and here is the negation. We have some more examples that you could go through and study, inshallah. So here you have again the lam. Try and scroll from this side. Okay, so here you have the lam here, then again at the beginning la'in, which is qasam. Then you have the here, it's giving you the emphasis again, or the revision note again, which it emphasized before, that the lam is اللام والموطئة للقسم. And then you have min or man, which is اسم الشرط. You have some more examples here. Please ponder over the following example. Identify the qasam and jawab al-qasam. So here you need to do is look at the qasam and then what is the jawab al-qasam. Okay, so remember there's an emphasis on the uh there doesn't need to be an emphasis of the qasam. Like we said here in the example, if there's a negative for if the sentence is negative, there's no need for emphasis on the jawab al-qasam. Okay. Have a look at these and then just see. So here you will see very easily which is Jawab al-Qasam. So here we can see that's the Qasam and here is the Jawab al-Qasam. Okay, and then you have a look at these ones. Okay, you can see here with the Jawab. Okay, if it's got the Fa or the Wa, we see the answer to that. Inshallah, we will next lesson talk about al-mamnu min sarfi, the lesson on that. Have a look at these examples um, and see where you can see that qasam or jawab al qasam. So here you might just have the jawab and not the actual qasam. But here on this example in jumla um, al-fi'liya, it is easier on this side to know the qasam and the jawab al-qasam. So here you have that. And then here you have the lam, okay? The lam or noon al-khafifiyya on the last noon. Then you got the lam and the min. So this should be quite easy to try and identify. It's sort of this one is where you need to really think hard, inshallah. Okay. We will inshallah go over this next lesson. Inshallah, please continue to practice from looking into the Medina book 3. Do your exercises and please attend the live sessions. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.